Looks like Baguio City. No, looks like Baguio City. Almost at Shurijo Castle.
Please proceed to the aisles during rush hour.
It's beginning to look like a castle. Fucking great. It's more climbing. So apparently I need to go past this gate here, which I saw earlier. Just cross the street again, moving towards the right there. At the very end should be the castle. Looks like a residential neighborhood here. Continuing on here with my saga of walking around a freaking castle. Okay, so that's the castle, but I still need to go to Shuraimon Gate. I'm gonna try. I think I'm lost, so the best way when you're lost is go back to where you came from. Looks like I'm done with the castle, so I might as well go back to Makishi Market. Seems like there's a nice view of Naha from the top, from here, and that's where I came from. Still need to go that far. Yeah, I think I did. I walked here earlier. What the heck? Okay, now I'm going down here. Oh, okay. Okay, it's beginning to take shape on the left. So according to the map, I'm supposed to go around here. I'll see if I really want to cover the entire castle. Hold on, I think this is it. Some kind of gate here. So stairs are unavoidable. The other side of the castle. So I'm climbing. You know, I'm not the best climber. This could take a while. So I'm on the street level finally, looking for Shurijo Castle. I found the toilet of any attraction. This is the most important place for me. Yeah, it kind of looks like Baguio City here. Yeah, let me get a closer look here. Yeah, definitely Baguio City. Another sign here. Reproduction of a bamboo grove and the twin branch bamboo decorating the ceiling. That's the bamboo grove. It's just a recreation. Oh, actually it's a toilet. I finally got reoriented by Google Maps. So I'm walking the rest of the way. The problem is it's a dead end and I can't go here because it's private property, so I need to go back. And it's, well, it's going downhill the steps, so that's the good news. But I think we're done with the castle here. Seems like going back with the same freaking map. Simon Gate. I think if I turn right, maybe I can bypass the residential area. Taking the monorail from Hotel Abbas at commuter station. Good day for a nice walk at Shuri Station, walking towards Shuri Castle. Very nice here. This turned out to be a very good destination, peaceful. Plus, there's a vending machine here. Okay. Good time to take a break. This sign looks familiar. Wait, a beautiful. Oh no, maybe I haven't been here. So this is Naha. Very beautiful city. No entry here. She told me I need to turn right, make a big U-turn all the way, and the Shuraimon gate will be here. She said Hachi. Anyway, Otaki. Okay, they talk about the construction going on, a restoration maybe. So they're doing restoration here. So I have to go all the way here, climb up and down. Oh, this is gonna be a workout. Village station, the final stop. This is the very last stop. Then it will go to the other direction. Okay. I don't know, that's mixed later. I'm at Shuri Station now. Taking elevator. I'm glad I finished those steps. So, moving forward here, another sign. Takai Chubi, a familiar fruit grown inside the royal residence. Okay. Ryukyu pines patronized by the kingdom of Ryukyu. I gotta read up on the history. sorry. Started moving. Oh.
ご乗車のユイレーンは
Yes. Oh.
Go up, up down, okay? 今、are you here? Main first entry, entrance.
Oh, I can go there?
Go round, up, down.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It's okay?
Okay.
Okay. Block, pay area.
Okay.
No, free, free
And then
okay.
go around Shuraimon gate there.
シュレモンがあっち。
Oh, Achi, okay.
Round, up, down.
Go around the Achi.
Long.
Very long.
Okay?
Thank you. I got lost. I went to the houses. Okay. So this is the map of Okinawa here. This, the UV rail route map is a very short route because Naha is not that big. And oh, this is important. The area map. I am here. I need to go to the castle. So castle. I don't know. Where is castle? Hold on. Looks like I have arrived. Oh yeah, it is. Guide to Shurijo Castle Park. Okay. I have arrived. Okay, here. Reading it. The English part, I mean. So it consists of two areas, the walls and the inner and outer walls. So I guess okay, I am here I am here and I'll be walking up. Oh, it's big. There's a lot of walking, huh? Okay. These are attractions, the Seidan, Shirimon Gate, Kankaimon, come on. Okay, let me take a picture of this. Seimon Gate, Akata Ujo. Reading English. Seimon Gate stood as a passageway for the outer castle walls erected in the southeast of Shurijo Castle. It usually functioned as a service entrance for daily commodities. Oh, commodities. Okay. Okay. So it's a service entrance of some sort. And if you look here, I am here. Oh, I already walked to the extreme end. Where did I start? I think I may have started here. Turn around and go around. Oh, so I haven't covered this part, seems like. Every time there's a camera, they warn you. Kind of crazy here. You're not supposed to warn the bad guys, you know.